Hey everyone, Nicholas from Headliner here to talk to you about Make by Headliner. If you're a podcaster looking for the easiest way to get ears on your podcast, making and sharing audiograms is the way to go. Make is one of our core product offerings over here at Headliner. It's a podcast video creator that allows you to easily convert your audio MP3 files into shareable stylized videos. It has a ton of cool features. For example, with Make, you can use AI in order to produce clips for social media from your podcast, transcribe video or audio segments in order to help increase your viewer retention, and you can even get your entire podcast onto YouTube, which, need I remind you, is the largest podcast destination on the internet. On top of that, all the things I just listed can get done for free. All you need to do is head over to headliner.app and click Get Started. After you've signed up for an account, you'll be brought over to Make by Headliner, where you can select from one of 6 different options. You'll be able to create a manual audiogram where you select a clip from either uploaded audio or audio you've chosen using our podcast searcher, tweak your creative in order to fit your needs and export your video, or head over to our advanced editor to adjust things further. Alternatively, you can use our automatic audiograms wizard, which uses the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence to select interesting clips from your show to create clips for you. If you're posting your videos onto YouTube, you can even set things up to post directly onto your channel after they've been created too. For those of you with a native video component to your show, you can also use our caption to video flow to add subtitles to your files before you post them to social media. Adding captions are a great way to keep people's eyeballs on your posts while also increasing viewer comprehension in the process. And thanks to the karaoke animation you can apply to your subtitles on Make, there's no reason not to give it a shot. We also have an advanced editor for people who are interested in a more traditional video editing experience. From there, you can import pictures or videos onto a timeline in order to rearrange them to your liking. Or last, you can start from a template we've created for you in order to get from start to finish and create a high-quality video in as little time as possible. There's no better way to promote your podcast than with Make by Headliner. So, head over to headliner.app and get started today.